There is an alarming rate of an increase in tobacco use among youth and adults each and every year, which has also enhanced an increase of people with cancer, diabetes, among other related heart diseases. According to the International Institute for Legislative Affairs, this increment has highly been felt among those under the age of 18, especially the girl child.
The research has shown that over 90% of current smokers started smoking when they were under 18 years of age. As we speak today, about a fifth of all adult males are smokers. Almost 10% of our school-going children in class 7, 8, Form 1 and 2 are smokers today. And a quarter of them have used one or another tobacco product in their lifetime.
According to Dr. Maina, head of Division of Non-Communicable Diseases, nicotine seems not to be the only harmful substance, but has been found to be more addictive than heroin and cocaine.
Tobacco contains over 7,000 different chemicals and compounds. And out of these 7,000 chemicals, over 600 are harmful to human health. And 69 of them have been shown to cause different cancers.
With the industry generating quite a high amount in revenue collection, it is a shocking revelation that tobacco farmers and their respective districts are some of the country's food insecure, illiteracy and high levels of poverty areas in the country. In the spirit of this year's No Tobacco Day theme, ILA is trying to create awareness of the importance of raising tobacco taxation and their role in positive reporting on tobacco control matters.
We are calling on Ministry of Finance to develop tax policies that ensure that taxation on tobacco is as high as it can go, so that tobacco prices in this country go high.
By raising prices of tobacco products, it will help deter young people from starting to use tobacco products, as well as lead to reduced consumption.
With ILA's efforts in trying to curb this pandemic, they admit that it is not going to be a walk in the park.
You realize that the real price has not increased, in the sense that cigarettes are cheaper today than they were in 1992.
The Institute therefore recommends that the government should review current tax structure to shift cigarette taxation towards internationally accepted rates. The cigarette tax regime should be reviewed by taxing all tobacco products equally, as well as for the Ministry of Finance to liaise with the Ministry of Public Health to develop mechanisms that result in earmarking tobacco revenue for public health programs. Violet Makendo, GBS News.